Good morning. This is the first of 5 videos describing how to use the UHAC calculators. This video will describe how to access the UHAC calculators. From the NJHMFA website, navigate to the About drop-down menu, then navigate down to UHAC and click on that. Once you are on the UHAC page, scroll down to the Income and Resale Calculator, then click on the Income and Resale Calculator to download. After you download the UHAC calculator, in order to use the Microsoft Excel macros, you may need to enable them. Once you have opened the UHAC calculator, there will be 5 available tabs: an Instructions tab, a Distributions tab, Rental, For Sale, and Resale. Generally speaking, calculator cells are protected and locked. Cells that allow user input are colored light orange, like these cells being highlighted here. If a cell is darkened, that means there is no valid input and nothing should be entered into that cell. Please note that this calculator is an advisory tool and is not a substitute for the UHAC regulations themselves. If you have any questions or feedback regarding the UHAC calculators, please email policy@njhmfa.gov. This concludes the video introducing the UHAC calculators.